can you remember the day you first heard about Sherlock Holmes? No, you've always known about him, like Santa Claus, Father Christmas. He's always been in our lives. So we've all got a sense of what he's like, and that's a conceit of our film. We all think we know Sherlock Holmes, the guy who's all mind, no passion, all detection, brilliance. We can never be like him. Well, this version is that no, that's not what the real man was like at all. And the assumption is that Sherlock Holmes was a real person. This is not a fictional character. So it plays into the Conan Doyle man, but develops on from then. And we discovered there was a moment when Sherlock nearly fell in love, which has been bothering him for 30 years. And that's the mystery he's trying to solve.
And they sort of, you know...
Of course, anytime.
Well, I'm glad we get the details.
Yeah.
What's he wearing?
Yeah, I know.
He's really taking his time with that announcement.
Yeah. He sounds a little tired, doesn't he?
Yeah,
He's a little-
another
can't quite get to the
condition.
end of the sentence.